Hey guys, it's your girl, Alena again. Looks like I left my curlers in, but it's okay. So I just wanted to say that I like the gunning game, like the last video, but like I still don't know if my friend Charlie's over him. She admitted that she doesn't like him. Now I'm just all crazy and getting upset. And at school today, I got really upset. Now I don't know what to do. Hey, maybe y'all can help. Give me a like and subscribe, please. Thanks. Um, but also. I really just wanted to say, don't be bad, don't be like, just use the Bible to help you. And one of the best Bible verses I know is your word is a lamp to guide my feet and a light for my path. Psalm 119:105. That's one of my favorite Bible verses actually. So yeah, that's all for today. Yeah, like and subscribe. Thanks.